All right, guys, we are deep in the desert today, and I found something absolutely incredible. Word is, this truck has been sitting here untouched for over 20 years. Let's look. Look at this. The body is incredibly straight. No major rust, just a beautiful desert patina. The sun usually destroys interiors out here. But wait until you see inside this time capsule. Moment of truth. Let's pop this door open and see what we're working with today. Wow. It smells like old gasoline and history in here. This is unbelievable. The seat is actually still soft. Let's pop the hood and see if the engine survived. Look at this. It's perfectly preserved under all this dust. It is completely intact. Would you look at that? The oil is black, but it's completely full and there's no water mixed in. The engine is free and has oil. Now, we need to bypass this completely dead battery and get some power to the starter. Let's hook up the jump box. Red to positive, black to ground. Let's see if she has a pulse. All right, we have power. I'm gonna get in the cab and see what happens when I turn the key. This is it, the moment of truth. Let's see if this 20-year slumber is over. 3, 2, 1. All right, she cranks, but she won't fire. We definitely have no spark or no fuel. Let's dig deeper. These old V8s are simple. They just need air, gas, and a spark. Let's check the carburetor first. Giving her a good drink of carb cleaner to wash away 20 years of old, sticky gas. Now, let's check the spark plugs. All right, guys, cross your fingers. Let's wake this beast up. Yes! Yes! She runs! 20 years! Wow. Listen to that V8. Let's give her a little gas to clear its throat. I honestly cannot believe it. The engine sounds incredibly healthy. All right, the heart is beating. Now, it's time to see if she can actually move. We got the engine running. The tires somehow have air. Let's see if the transmission works and drive this ghost out of the desert. Before I drop this thing into drive, I need to make sure these 20-year-old tires aren't going to explode immediately. Tires are sketchy, but they hold air. Let's pull the shifter and see if the transmission actually engages. Nothing. I'm giving it gas, the engine revs, but it's not moving an inch. It feels like the gear isn't catching at all. The transmission might be completely dry, or the mechanical linkage underneath is rusted stuck. I have to get under there and look.
Yeah.
Just as I thought. The main shift rod is completely detached and rusted out. I have a spare bolt that might fit. Give me a second to manually lock this into drive. All right, I bypassed the broken linkage and manually locked the transmission directly into drive. Okay, the transmission is manually engaged. It's now or never. Let's hit the gas. Oh my God! It's moving! It is actually moving. We did it! We resurrected a forgotten legend. This truck is going home with me today. She is running perfectly. We made it out of the dirt, and we are finally heading back to the shop. Welcome to your new home, old girl. I still can't believe we actually drove it all the way back. Just look at how much desert dirt is on this thing. Before we do any serious work, we need to wash away 20 years of baked-on desert sand. Let's give this legend its very first bath in over 2 decades. Would you look at that? The original turquoise color is still there underneath all that sand. "20 years of dust are completely gone." All right, guys, we are completely done washing it now. In the very next video, we will fix all these flaws, repair the bodywork, and do a complete fresh paint job. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the complete paint transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.